In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine card using a watercolor wash. To create the watercolor wash, I really like to use the shimmery white cardstock that Stampin' Up sells. I think it's great. It's less expensive than watercolor paper, and it also has a shimmer to it, so I think it's a bonus all the way around. So I'm going to use some Flirty Flamingo ink and an aqua painter. I like to get my paper wet first, so I'm just going to put down some water on the paper. And then I'm gonna grab some ink and kind of spread the ink around too. And I kind of like to do the ombre effect where it's darker at the top and then it gets lighter at the bottom. And it can just be any old way that you want. All right, so I'm gonna set that aside to dry and clean off my aqua painter by just squeezing it onto my Stampin' Scrub. And now we're gonna stamp the heart. So to stamp the heart, I've got some Whisper White cardstock, and I'm gonna stamp the outline in Real Red. And I'm going to use the Heartfelt stamp set. So I've got this outline right here, and I've got a couple sayings. So I'm gonna do the From My Heart to Yours. And it coordinates with a punch pack. So there's two punches, this large heart scallop punch and this punch right here that I'm gonna use to punch out this heart right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place the heart over here. And a little trick if you're doing multiple hearts to save paper is to stamp the next one upside down, and you'll save paper that way. And then I'm done with the red ink, so I'm gonna go back to the Flirty Flamingo ink and stamp the sentiment inside. And then I will punch this out with the heart punch. And then I will show you a trick on how to get an outline. So there's our heart. So now to create this outline right here, you're going to start with the smaller heart punch and punch it in the center so that you have some space around the punch. And then you're going to take your larger heart punch and line it up, and then you can stamp an outline of the heart. So super fun to create this little heart right here. So now I'm going to make sure this is all dry. It looks pretty dry. And we'll adhere this onto the cardstock with some snail adhesive. And I like to go ahead and go all the way around. And then this is a crumb cake cardstock base. I'm just going to try to flatten that out and adhere that really well. And then I've got this fun vellum cutout from the Poppies stamp set. It's the Painted Poppies and Painted Labels dies. So it's this die right here that's super cute. And so I'm just going to adhere that with a little bit, did I get any? A little bit of adhesive in the middle that I'm gonna end up covering up, so it's gonna be fine. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here. So I'm just going to touch a little bit, a tiny bit of glue around the edges of the heart. And then I will tack that down. And to hold it in place, I'm just gonna use a block, and that'll just hold it in place for me so it can stick. And then I'm going to put a dimensional on this heart and tie a bow with some of the Real Red ribbon, satin ribbon. It's gorgeous. You can purchase all these products on my website, eStampin.com. Click on Shop Now. And right now during celebration, you can earn $50, for every $50 you spend, you can earn a free celebration item. So definitely go check that out. All right, so now I'm gonna use a glue dot for this ribbon here. and it's all stuck down. So before I do that, I'll put the heart down. Over here. And the ribbon, maybe down here, over here. And that is our watercolor wash Valentine card. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with others. And go to my website, eStampin.com, to check out my blog and all the products that are available online that you see me use in this card today. Thank you so much.